On Wednesday, 23rd March 2022, Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union, along with the National Domestic Workers Movement Meghalaya region, had organized a sit-in demonstration at the SAVIO Hall, LAITUMKHRAH, Shillong, to oppose the state government's failure to address issues faced by the workers under the unorganized sector. It may be mentioned that earlier, the workers had met MP CONRAD SANGMA in New Delhi, and later in 2018 when he became the Chief Minister of the state. Both meetings were to request for appropriate legislation towards protection of this vulnerable class of society. Advocacy Officer of the National Domestic Workers Movement Meghalaya region, W. Kharsantiu, while addressing media persons, informed of the various demands of the workers' union which have never been fulfilled despite submission of numerous memorandum of demands to the state government. Kharsantiu also informed that the demands include regulation of employment, conditions of work and social protection, fixation of wages, inclusion in the list of scheduled employments via notification under the Minimum Wages Act 1948 through the constitution of a tripartite welfare board.
National demanding te hakajo kapor ka seng ka jong kinong traye guru muntakasgi rengkat lang buat ke union jong ki domestic workers nilaya mi lang ban bu kita kimat jingdawa ni ka sarkar ma namar ko pitip banadu bala seng ni ka seng nadu usnem arajar lai kat hadu munta nilaya poi house nem arajar apuar ke jingdawa ki ya malang usnem ka sarkar ka kalian na koi ka pos koi pat lawan koi ka sarkaru ka oi mereka kita lawan mereka sarkaru kalau ini sengap ini penjalur kita niyo iba kamdan kedua ka sarkaru ka berkat ka bayadai bat ka jing kajang udok usuk ba imna ka belas ni hatisnem kiba shua ba chief minister jungi unwan ku menteri rang ba ka ni ka jilla ulalong teng MP mana po na kamta ka lok sabha hakatu ka paru kini ki delegation ki jangi kila let bani kendu ya po Delhi bat ngila yo ru ka jingkular na du hakatu ka por ba un sapen pej ka bayadai bat ka di ka hok ban wanra ka ka ain ka ban ai jing dai ki bru ka trei yung bru te hadin katar yo iba kamra ni ai kata ka jing khi ni kata ka jing yakran la ni kata ka sur ka ban mi na ka sentur ka jang u kan manong ba ngin kran hi shahalor ka hok ka jang kita kinong trei te hadin kata padang iba ka ulawan ka ni ka jela ju ikun menteri rang ba kaladon ke jingkerman ka to ka por khandiat namar ba ngi sgu thu shai ba ubreu bangila ya kendu markmat bane kran ubreu balatip supangi di issue lesi onda lawan ka por ka jilla lesi un pej khamba ka be dei bat ka issue jong ki di ki longkami ki be emno ka ba shublai lashi ki breu lesi un la bat pej khamba mo Hindai wat hadin ka jingia kedu ka jangi ka office tare kam ka jang chief minister ha kar khondeu tarik April 2000 khat praru hadu mentang impat yoi te na kalyang ka union ngilaya penmi ka wage card ka jong la jong tang bangin kom bangin chuan ra kata ka jinglong uniform moi kata ka jing siu ya ka di ka dor train ka benta jogi nong belai